My sister built the houses in this area because this is where our grandparents and my father were born. Most of our guests, they usually say that they can hardly leave the villa. They enjoy the sun, the views, the sounds from the village. They want to stay here forever. When my sister and Danny bought this house, it was already built. And what we really all liked in this house, the design, the fact that it was built in a traditional way. Both houses are full of paintings. My sister and her husband are both collectors. This particular painting, it's a Dutch painter painted them. It's a wedding gift. All the trees in the garden, they're the wedding gifts from our guests. Actually, this one is my sister's gift for her husband. It means love, a life together. Now we are very happy having our guests staying in these two elegant villas made with a lot of love in an affordable prices. The whole family is interested in arts. My sister is an art therapist. She organizes art retreats here. My sister's husband is an artist photographer. I'm doing ceramic, and I really love to give lessons to our guests. Spring is the best time for collecting the fruits, and they taste really, really nice. This is Cavallojori village. I'm always happy to bring our guests here. I suggest many of my favorite places, many restaurants that I like. I can share experiences and passions with our visitors.